Hi guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I show you a case study of proven P2P business model. So it's titled a case study of a million per day P2P business that we are launching P2P Millionaire Gang. Now I'm going to show you top 5 exchanges, and we're going to go right to the website. And okay, 4 exchanges. You're going to check the website and see their level of traffic and see the profit that they make per trade, and I'll show you the business model. So the first one, let's go on instant coin. So I didn't add instant coin. Let me add it on the list. Okay, instant coin. Okay. So by the way, one of the famous crypto community did a review of this platform, call it top 15 e-currency exchange platforms in Nigeria. So I will drop the link on the video. You can go and check it out and read for your own consumption. Okay. So kindly watch this video to the end because this is a very detailed research. All right. So this is ngn.com. You can see this website has a volume of traffic, but not too plenty because for it to not be on this platform. Like okay. So but look at it. They buy Bitcoin, perfect money. That this platform makes over 20 to 30 naira gain per transaction. You can see if you check today's date, and if you check today's date, the BTC rate, $1 volume of BTC rate. Let me check my app. This is 27th of January, 8:57 p.m. Okay, let me go to my Binance app and check. I'm not using it on my phone. I want to check on my phone to confirm the rates. Okay, so I'm checking right now and I'm seeing I'm seeing okay, it's like I think so I'm seeing 582. Okay, 582. So this platform, you can see they are making profit. Okay, 582. All right, so this is the sales pay fund. This is their reserves. You can buy up to this volume. All right, so let me go to the next platform. I just want to be fast. You can check the exchanges yourself. I'm going to land somewhere. Okay, the second one is the instant distance, but look at the basic thing is the BTC sell and buy. Okay, BTC sell and buy. Let me check the home page. Check the home page and see if we're going to see prices on the home page. All right, you can see the sell BTC at this rate, correct money at this rate. So you can check the platform. You can sell them this, and you can sell them this at this rate. Okay, that does not mean that you are buying this from them. You're just selling them this at this rate. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go to the next platform. Now let's look at our list. We've checked NGN, we've checked Instant Coin. Now let's go on to the platform. Okay, this is GoDX. Can you see this platform 585? That's a plot that they buy and they sell. You can see their level of profit, you can see their profit, and let's check their traffic again. So I'm going to don't have much traffic, but look at this platform. They have over 690,000 users, and you can see their rate here. They're making quite a killing of income. They have social media traffic. You check them out, they've been out for a long time. All what they are doing, they are just leveraging on P2P opportunity, and they all use the Binance platform as a leverage price point. Okay, so let's go back to the slide and see. Okay, we've mentioned this. I've mentioned Z Exchange. Okay, Z Exchange. So I've shown Z Exchange on the other view. I don't think we should check them out. Okay. So each trade equal. Now let's go to the big one. This is Naira for dollar. These are my transaction while I was an affiliate. I'll just sign out here and okay, so this is a Naira for dollar platform, and you can see the rate. Like I told you, they all use the Binance platform as a leverage. If you watch my video on perfect money arbitrage, you see how this is done. Now, one big question you'll be asking yourself is that how do they make money? How do they keep making profits? So 586, 565, 589. Okay, so I'm just giving you a quick rundown on this platform, and I'll look at the business model. This business, they buy low, they sell high. They use Binance as a P2P price as a reference point, and let me tell you again, now they get traffic, large pool of customers, large pool of customers, okay? Because the money is in the volume, okay? So if they're going to make a profit of 10 naira per $1, so if they're going to do up to $10,000 worth of transaction a day, that is like 100,000. So if they're going to make up to $1 million, that means they have to do up to $100,000 daily. Okay, all they need to do is to have people that will buy funds from them. If they have 500 clients and they do that on a daily basis, they are going to make a lot of profits. Okay, so that is the P2P one. You can see this platform. If you check the traffic of this platform, you'll be very shocked. Okay, now I want you to pay attention to your screen. What do you see here? This is like 100,000 visitation on this website as of July 2021. Means that people are already using this platform for, even though from arbitrage and other opportunities that reduce people buying on this website. Okay, but look at it. This is still huge. This is still huge. Imagine if just 10% of that traffic was like 5,000 people buy from them actively. Imagine they see, I will actually show you this. We actually have a very massive building, large full of offices. All they do is just exchange business. And this is that they actually update their prices consistently. You can see that they have 578, 545, 586. This is what they do. And you can see the profit. They now start, they just introduce USDT right now. Now, before now, they do just PayPal, Perfect Money, and Bitcoin. But now they do Perfect Money, Bitcoin, and USD. They have removed PayPal option. That's like this month, okay? So this is their price point. They buy what you want to sell to them, sell them at this rate, and what you want to buy from them, they buy at this rate, okay? And one thing that you must know is that most time they use Binance platform as their reference point. If I go on Binance now, find that USDT rate is 581. Okay, now their price most times like 8 naira difference to 15 naira difference. Now what happens is that if I want to buy USDT from them, I will send them the money first. Now, even though they don't have any supply, they can just go to Binance, buy it for 581, and send it to me that bought it for 589. Okay, that means they have made 8 naira profit. Now, what if I was buying up to $10,000? That means I've made up to 80,000 naira profit. Okay, so the same thing. If I want to go and buy, if somebody wants to sell to me, want to sell to me, okay. Let's say I'm the platform, and someone's coming to sell to me at this 566 rate. Person sends me his crypto asset first. I'll tell the person I'll pay him maybe in 2-3 hours. Within that time, I'll go on Binance, sell his currency for 581. That means I make up to 14 naira profit and send this money to his bank account, and I can do this within 30 minutes. Okay, so this is like the P2P model, but let me go back to the slide. What is the challenge of this business? Can everybody make money on this business? Yes, everybody can start this business. Like traffic, everybody can start this business. It can be WhatsApp, it can be Facebook, it can be website, it can be whatever. It can just be like you ask, if you have a lot of people that know your physical office, you can ask them to come to your physical office to buy, or you'll be limiting yourself of people that cannot come to your physical office. Okay, so WhatsApp is the traffic point. These are just like if you don't have any website, you can just tell people on WhatsApp, like just WhatsApp you. Then you can ask influencer, all those stuff, influencer, people that those people trust, can ask them to post about you that you trusted. Okay, so they can commit their currencies to you. Because one of the biggest issue about this business is trust. I ran this business for a lot of people, like over like 2 successful people. And why I was shocked about the volume was like I ran a simple ad, but that gave my client over 50 active clients. And one of those people did a transaction of $100,000. That means he was trying to sell it $100,000 to this my friend. And let me calculate. My friend made up to 10 naira per dollar profit. Like if he times it by 100,000, how much is that? How much is that? You can go and see that it is like whooping 100, like that's like 1 million. Because if I make 10 naira per dollar profit, the person is actually selling, he's a him. The person is sending him the $100,000 for like he wants to sell his USDT is the why he has to credit. So the person sells at a lower rate, 570, and he's selling for 580. Okay, and he's doing this instantly within 1 hour and using Binance as a reference point. That's called influencer. Then the setup, how do you start the business? So you need to have like a brand consultation so that you don't just look like a small fish in a big market that doesn't know how to eat the good or in the river. Then full knowledge of P2P. A lot of you don't know about P2P so much. You just assume that you know. So we don't know how to diverse from different currency to which currency, from perfect money to Bitcoin. You don't know how to exchange it yourself. You don't know how to diversify screen funds to get the best value out of screen funds. Now, if you don't even know about what is called OTC trading, okay? So you don't even know how to get good customer care that will make people want to be selling their crypto asset to you every time. Or if you don't even know that you're supposed to have brand your Facebook page and Instagram page, get followers, and get this business running for yourself, okay? Because this business, like I told you, running it successfully can give you $1 million per day income. Yes, all it has to do is by you having trusted clients, and there are a large number of people every day looking how to buy crypto assets and all that stuff. So without much ado, I'll just show you my offer for you. Now, this is not for everyone. Please, if you don't like to be sold to at this point, kindly leave my YouTube video, because now I'm about to share you something for those people that want to start this business and have the support that I want, that they need to set up their business. So because I'm going to help you run an advert for 21 days, 21 days to give you clients. So my advert is going to help you have at least your first 20 clients in this business. I'm going to help you consult. Then I'm going to help you, give you the full knowledge of P2P business, consult and help you with how you can set up your Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and all that. Then help you with your first WhatsApp ads. Okay, is what is called influencer ads. Okay, so so these things I'm giving out is way worth over 500,000. Looking at what I'm actually giving, but I just want to give you, take it by the hand to give you whatever details. As long as you are serious minded, you're ready to do business, you want to start, or you're not just into quick fix, you want to do business that will give you money consistently, this offer is for you. Okay, so I'm going to help you set this thing up. It's 100,000 naira to grab it, because I'm going to run Facebook advert with this same money. You're not going to pay a dime, only just pay this 100K, and this offer will close by January 31st. That means it's not for a lot of people, just for 10 entrepreneurs, okay? Now, this means I'm going to be taking my time a lot on your matter to ensure that you succeed in this business, okay? Imagine that you sell up to, let's just say worst case scenario, you sell up to 1,000 naira worth of USDT every day, and you make up to 10 naira profit per dollar. And imagine that's like 10K profit daily. And if you do that for 30, that's 300K profit. That's even, you have made more than what you paid for the program in 30 days, and you still have the same client to yourself. You can still sell back with the same clients, market to them, and still have them buy other stuff from you. That is the opportunity from this kind of business, guys. So I'm also going to give you a YouTube feature. That's for the 10 entrepreneurs. I'm going to make a video for all of you and feature your business, your numbers, how people should contact you. If you're selling school funds, this is the offer that I need to grab now, because I'm going to give you these Facebook adverts this YouTube feature, and I'm also going to consult for you on all that. So if you know the amount of traffic I have on my YouTube section and how much that brands pay for videos, you know that this is a very big offer I'm giving to you. I just want you to have a side income that will guarantee you massive success. Okay, so if you're looking out for a business that you can do, if you like pressing your phone, you're like jumping around, you can do this business, and this business is more profitable than your normal physical businesses that you are addicted to. Okay, all you need to do is that you need a full knowledge of this business. You need to know how to brand your business. To know you don't need to start with a website. You need to start on WhatsApp. Then when you have up to 500 client base or 1,000 client base, you can move it to a website. Then you go more, move it to an app. Okay, so this is the phone number to WhatsApp me on for P2P business. Please don't come and ask me about arbitrage. This is not about arbitrage. This is for P. This is a business we are talking about. We're not talking about a short scheme and a magic button clicking. We're talking about a real business you're going to start, P2P business. And if you want me to set this thing up, this is how much I charge. And this offer of 100K is still there till January 31st, and it's for 10 persons. Okay, so by January 31st, you're not going to be seeing this again. If you want to pay, you're going to pay double of this. Okay, because to have me, if you check my website, verify.com, to have me set up your advert for 21 days cost over 100K. So I'm helping you run your ads just literally free, and I'm helping you post a YouTube feature literally free, and I'm helping you consult to brand and also giving you a full detailed course guide on P2P business, and also give you that 30-day support so that you can start making money from this business. Okay. All right. Okay. So if you're down with me, you can chat me up if you want to make payment for this. I can plan ahead of the time. Okay. So guys, go take action if you're interested in this. And this is not for everybody. Please don't call me or send me a message if you're not ready to get this, or you want to get this, don't call me, just WhatsApp me. And these are all the details you need. I don't think you need to ask me any other question, but you can watch this video again and again and watch my other videos. And I'll actually drop, just WhatsApp me if you want to get it. I'll also drop a link if you want to fill a form on this. All right. If you WhatsApp me, I'm going to give you to fill a form or that kind of stuff. But this is for very serious minded people. Okay, guys. See you at the best side of life. You can subscribe to this channel, and see you on the best side of life. Look at this offer very well. Don't miss this, as no one in this industry will offer you this. All right. Take care.